There's a moment in the movie, Everything Everywhere All at Once, that really wrecked me. And I wanted to paint what that kind of love looks like. When painting Waymond, I really wanted to capture this gentle yet strong character. And I found that the scene where he says, would have loved to do laundry and taxes with you, really hit me hard. Remember in the movie, it's green all over, and I wanted to capture that in my painting. I didn't do it hyper realistic. I wanted to move a little bit faster, and I'll show you some more close-ups. But just the greens here, that epic moment, that stare that he has was just so good. I chose different green tones, not just because the scene was mostly in a green color scheme, but I also chose green tones because green sits between that space of like calmness and chaos. And I felt that that's exactly what was happening in the movie at that moment when he tells the love of his life that in this dimension, it may have not have worked out between us, but I really felt that I would have loved to have spent that time with you in another lifetime. I have, maybe some highlights of like some lighter greens, some darker greens, the smoke, the tie, everything. I really wanted to capture that moment when he said that line. And I hope that kind of, gives that feeling off. Also, the painting is the second installment of this series that I had for the movie. I already sold the first one. My bad, I didn't make a video on that one, but it was really cool. Maybe I have some clips. Maybe I'll do that in one of these videos. But I love the movie so much that I knew I had to paint this scene. I really wanted to capture the softness, the love that this character gives off in that. I hope that when people see it, they receive that. Also, art is to your own interpretation, but if you haven't seen the movie, I hope that at least when you see it, you're like, oh, that guy, he's thinking of something. There's something here. There's a tenderness. The painting took me some time. I would say I was on and off for a couple days. I really wanted to get it done because I'm the kind of artist that if I don't do what hits me in the moment, like the inspiration that hits me, I'll leave it there for a while. I did take a week off from working on it and I almost didn't come back, but I believe I watched the movie again and that sparks the inspiration to finish it. Waymond represents, empathy, strength, calmness, playfulness, all that. I'm just very happy that it's been received well. I hope this one gets to be in a lovely home one day as well. So I hope you liked this video. It was just a little bit of an insider to my painting. If you have more questions, please let me know in the comments. Like and follow for more. I'm going to be doing more of these because I have a solo show coming up in February. So I just want to give a behind the scenes of my process with all of my work. I am usually a very private person. I don't try to explain much. I'm like, here, if you like my painting, that's it. I'm not telling you anything else about it. But I want to be more vulnerable these days, especially in this upcoming year. And this is one of my practices. So I hope you like. Let me know if you loved the movie. I would love to hear what parts you loved. And if you want me to even paint one of those parts. Do not mention the sausage hands, okay? I don't think I could do it. Maybe I will. Who knows? All right. Check you later. Peace.